Start. Ready? Quiet, please. Start.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sujan Thapa. My student ID is A23-05179, and the presentation topic is minimizing potential hazard of material and finishes for the building. We are on the topic DC 603, material and structural principle. We are going to overview about the importance of material selection, common hazardous material and finishes, potential hazards posed by unsafe material and finishes, New Zealand regulation and standards governing material safety in construction, steps for assessing material hazards, and the conclusion of it. First of all, importance of material selection. Why material selection is important? Safety, durability, and environmental impact are the important factor for material selection. Safety, to protect the workers and the occupants in the building. Safety is very important. Durability, to ensure the building or the project goes for a long term. And the environmental impact, as we know, New Zealand is very concerned about environmental factors. No things should impact on the environment. Key factors to consider: safety, non-toxic, performance, fire resistance, moisture, etc. Compliance with standard. Common hazardous materials and finishes. Example of hazardous materials: asbestos, found in all insulation and roofing materials, can cause lung diseases. It is basically in the roof of the building of stones, as in the past stones were used in the building stuff, where there can be different diseases. Lead-based paints, common in building before 1978, harmful in inhaled and ingested. As after the long term of the painting, it can fall off and it can be used by children or can be physical properties. Volatile organic component found in paints and finishes can cause headaches and respiratory issues. Formaldehyde, used in some fresh foods products, linked to cancer and breathing problems. So these are the common hazardous material and finishes. Potential hazards posed by unsafe materials. Health risk can cause issues like allergies, asthmas, or more severe conditions like cancer. We should be more concerned about health, and we should be more concerned about it before construction, while using unsafe materials. Environmental risks: hazardous materials can pollute air, water, and soil. Structural risk: materials may degrade faster, compromising building safety and integrity. As in the picture, use of woods unsafely can degrade the environmental and the building capability. New Zealand regulation and standards. Important regulation to know: Building Act 2004, as we have studied, ensures safety, health, and sustainability in building. New Zealand building codes, to follow the minimum standards set by the New Zealand government. There are different things involved in it. Health and Safety at Work 2015, which mainly focus on managing risk, including hazardous materials. It ensures how the safe work is going on. And Standard New Zealand, it provides detailed guidelines for specific materials such as abstract management. It also provides a certificate after the completion of the project. Steps for assessing material hazards. Step-by-step approach. Step 1, identify materials. Check labels, safety data sheets, MSDS, and product information. Choosing material is very important, as I have already listed. Check label, safe product information. Step 2, risk assessment. Evaluate potential risks, health, environmental, and structural. Step 3, mitigation. use safer alternative, improve ventilation, and apply protective measures, which can also be PPE while being in the construction. And after the construction project, different alternative methods. Compliance check. Ensure all materials meet new design regulation and standards. How to minimize hazards. Tips for reducing hazards or minimizing hazards. Use safer alternative. Choose material with low or no VOCs and non-toxic option. A lead-based plant used in the past had so many effects. In modern world, more modern paints which affect us in very minimum can be available. Use those kind of paints. Improve ventilation, proper airflow to reduce exposure to harmful fumes. Ventilation also helps to reduce the moisture in the building, and use alternative resources. Regular inspection. Keep an eye on material condition to catch issue early. A regular check of the building conditions and the potential hazards should be inspected early. Step for effective use of PPE. Hazard assessment. Identify and evaluate potential hazard in the workplace. PPE ensures that if any hazard occurs, it will cause minimum damage to the workers by using like safety helmet which protect the head of the worker from falling down of anything, eye protection from inserting of any small particles into eye which may lead to eye damage, air protection for noise pollution, HIV based to ensure workers' chests are protected, safety footwear to ensure nothing comes right below the foot, as in the workplace and construction place. Different kinds of things are laid down like nails, small particles of steels, safety gloves to handle the metal or any aluminum doors very carefully. Select proper PPE. As I have just told, these are the proper PPE to be followed. Training. Ensure workers know how to use correctly, wear and maintain PPE. Training should be provided, as we all get training in our workplace, as well as that training should be provided to ensure PPE. Maintenance. Regular inspection, clean and replace PPE as needed. As PPE should be, can be damaged, gloves can be damaged, vest can be damaged, boots can be damaged. Maintenance very important. Compliance. Follow workplace safety rules and PPE standards as said by the NZBC. Following rules help us prevent from any disaster and material damages that can occur. So at the conclusion, choosing the right material is crucial for safety and compliance. Choosing right material, as I have said, using modern paints, use of ventilation, preventing from moisture are very important. Regular assessment and adherence to standards help maintain a safe building environment. Safer materials means healthier building for occupants and the environment. As the main topic is about the hazardous materials, materials are to be considered at the beginning of the project with the top quality and with the maintenance of it from time to time. Ongoing assessment and adherence to best practice ensure a safer building environment. Use the PPE and all the required safer prevention is very important. Thank you.
managing is 9 minutes. So now I want to ask you, do you have any question?
No.
No, you explained very well.
Okay. What kind of dangerous materials can cause in the building? I mean, what kind of dangers the materials can cause in the building? What kind of dangers?
The hazardous material, asbestos, which is found in the stores.
Example, no. What types of? Still recording, brother. What kind of dangers? What kind of?
Health risks, environmental risks, and structural risks. Health risks, it can cause.
Explain more, please. You go to the details.
Health risks.
What kind of health risk?
It can cause long-term diseases like cancer, allergies, which can affect with children mostly because they are unsafe about the ongoing health. Environmental risks, as it can create diseases, flu, which can affect environment. Structural risks for the durability and the long-term durability of the building.
Thank you so much.